Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Copilot from Windows 11. Okay, how to remove Copilot from Windows 11. First, you need to go to your group policy. Okay, type this gpedit.msc. Okay, and then run as administrator. So basically, you need to open your local group policy editor. And then you go down to administrative templates. Go to Windows Components, and scroll down, look for Windows AI. Okay, now Microsoft has actually added a function where they allow you to remove Microsoft Copilot app. This is the one. Double click on it. You can enable it to uninstall, but there's a condition. Okay, Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Copilot must be installed. And Microsoft Copilot app was not installed by the user. Okay, the Microsoft Copilot app was not launched in the last 28 days. These conditions must be met before you can uninstall. And if you uninstall, you can actually still reinstall it back. So you can just enable this and then click apply. Then the app will be uninstalled. Okay, that's how to remove Microsoft Copilot app. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.